We're going to create a new customer in Kickserv and talk about some of the tools that we offer within a customer's record. We're going to use the Add New button today. We're going to choose Customer. It's always a good idea to start with the name of the customer. We're going to go with the library, and in this case, we're going to make this a service location of another one of our customers. This one is the city. Great, it's going to use my contact information for the demonstration today. And now for an address. I'm just going to start typing in here. This is going to give me suggestions in my area, and when I use a selection, it gives me a pin. I can then move that pin anywhere I want to put my job site, and that's going to adjust the latitude and longitude to give our worker the exact coordinates of where they need to be. I've got Bill to Parent selected by default on this one, so that the city gets the bill for this job at the library. The source is going to just, of course, be where the customer heard about us. The tax will be what rate we charge them, assuming we are using tax. Special instructions. This is a 20,000 character field that can be utilized to enter customer information that, might be necessary for every single job we ever do at this location. And then last here we have a custom field that I've created. This one is a service level to indicate at what level of service the customer subscribes. So lots of different uses there, and it's an unlimited option, however many fields you want to create. All right, now that we've got the contact listed in here, we're going to go ahead and go over some of these tools from right to left today along these tabs. I do want to point out that tags can be applied as well here on our customers as well as jobs. And here again, I'm just using that same service level. And then with reminders. Reminders are meant for reminding a worker or someone in the office something about this customer. So we can choose a time, date, the information about the reminder, and then who will be doing that reminder. The notes and files allow us to store information about the customer, and of course files about the customer, but notice that all the files among our jobs have a place to live down here as well. And then of course with payments come invoices, before invoices come jobs, and then we have opportunities, which is our version of estimates here. We'll get into that in another video. The locations and contacts is a reference of the service locations that might exist under the library. Yes, you can do tertiary and have a third level service location underneath the library if there's a need for that. Additional contacts would be people that work at the library that we may need to correspond with. And then we have our overview. The overview actually gives us a nice little token here that I can use to access the customer center on behalf of the customer and see what they see. There won't be much to show for the library, but we'll check out the city. Notice the city has a couple of jobs here. And of course, if I am offering correspondence within those jobs, back and forth messages in association with an invoice or an estimate or a reminder, that information will fall here into the messages. It's kind of a one-stop shop to review all of that correspondence. But let's go ahead and pop over to the Customer Center for the city and have a quick look at that. As you can see from the top, the open invoices for the city are here, and I can pay them now. This is exclusive for users on Stripe currently. I can also go ahead and book an appointment with Ghostbusters and view my open requests if I have any. If I have jobs, I can go into those and see what was done. I can view the invoice. Any notes and attachments that were shared with me will live here as well. And that'll take us over into the job level, which will be done on another video. So we'll see you there.